Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today we are back with another tutorial video of C++ on this channel, and today in this video we will be just covering up an amazing tutorial in which we will be learning about what are unions and enums in C++, and with that we will be also learning about structures of unions and enums, and I'll be telling you that what are these unions and enums in C++ with this structure. So this video will be really helpful and I hope you'll be enjoying this tutorial video which I will be telling you in C++ from start. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing tutorial video which we are covering up in this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my future video which I'll be uploading on this channel. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started. So now here we are on the computer screen, and like I've told you in the start that today we are just covering up a tutorial video in which I will be telling you what are structures, unions and enums in C++. So I've created one REPL, like you all know that in previous videos when we were just working on tutorial or projects, so we were using REPL, and today also I will be using REPL text editor here. So you can just see I've given the name to my project or to my REPL is structure, unions and enums because we are working with this here in this video. So I've given that, and I've created a main.cpp file as well, but you don't have to create main.cpp because when you will create REPL your file will be automatically created with the name of main.cpp. But if you want to change the name of your file, so you can do that, but I will be not changing the name because I think main.cpp is fine. So now what I'm going to do next is I will be creating a starting code of C++. So I will be writing here as hashtag, then I will be writing include iostream. Like you all know that when we have to start with C++, so we have to write include iostream, which is the starting code. Then I will be writing here using namespace std, and now here I will be writing type def, or you can say type def, which means that we are defining a type function here, and then I will be writing struct employee like this. Now after that I will be just moving down, and here I will be creating an other function in which I will be writing here as data. So I'll be writing comment so I can show you that now what I'm writing is the data here. So now in data I will be writing here is init eid, but in id I'll be taking I capital. Then here I will be writing s4, which is id. You can also write here like this comment if you want to. Then what I'm going to do is I'll be writing here car, which means that character, and I'll be writing favorite character as 1. Then here I will be writing as float. So now I'll be writing float cell 4, then ep, and then I'll be closing it. And now you have to write here union like this, and now in union I will be writing money. So now here I've done some mistake, like I've written namespace, but we have to write only ep here like this and close this. Now here I'll be just moving down, and then after this union money I will be just creating another curly bracket here in which I will be writing as data value, and then after writing this data value I'll be writing init rice, and then I'll be writing init rice and closing it. Then I'll be writing character as char, means car, and then I'll be writing car here as well. Then I'll be writing 1 here to give it the thing as it is the 1. So I'll be writing float pounds it's 4, closing the value here. Then I'll be writing init main, and in main the value which I will be writing here as enum mall, and then you have to write, like you can also write meal if you want to. Then I will be writing a meal function like breakfast like this you can write. Then I'll be writing here as lunch, and then in the end I will be writing as dinner. So I've written 3 meal things which I want to write here. Then I will be doing is like I will be now closing this, and then here I'll be writing meal m1, or you can write ml as well to start with the thing. So I'll be writing lunch like this. Then I'll be writing count, and then I'll be writing like this ml2. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be writing like this count breakfast, then same as lunch. And now what I'm going to do is I'll be doing with the dinner as well the same thing, because we have written all the things with the breakfast and dinner. So in lunch also I'll be doing the same thing. You can just see like we have written union money, and then I'll be writing m and rice, and now here as well same thing. Then I will be writing here as well the same thing. Now here I'll be just moving down, and then here I will be now writing here like I will be writing ep, and now here I will be giving my name. So like this I have given my name. Then I will be writing here like this struct employee inshallah like this. You can give any of the name you want to. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just moving here, and then I can write my name like I've written my name at the top, so I can write a different name here like this. Then I can just move here, and then again I can write like this a random name like Shahid like this. Then here I'll be writing install.eid equal to 1 because I've written my name, and that is why I'm defining like this. And again I've written my name, then again I've written my salary like this. Normally you can give any of the random if you want to do. Then the value which we are getting, and now again we will be writing another value here of count, and same as another value we will be writing with the salary like we have written at the top. Now I will be returning the value here as 0, obviously because we have written all the things perfectly now. So what I'm going to do is I will be now running this all things, and now when I will be running, you will be getting the value as 0. If I run, you can see because we are getting the 0 because we are only returning the value here as 0. Now if I just remove these things which we have written, like these all comments, so for removing the comments I will be just removing this slash from here, same as here, here as well, then here as well, here as well, and then at the top if I do that, and now here also I will be doing the same thing, then here, here, and now you will be getting more things here defined, and I think you will be now understanding that why we are removing this. So you can just see we have written all the things, we are not getting any errors. So simply what I'm going to do is I'll be running these all things by pressing Control Enter, or you can press run button as well. So I will be just pressing this run button to see what output I'm getting here on my console. So I will be pressing run button, and you can just see we are getting an error, and in error we are getting the thing like it is not defined. So what I'm going to do is I'll be commenting out these things. So now I will be commenting out like this. Now when you have commented out, just run again, and after running again we are getting an error in which we are getting like it is not defined. So what I'm going to do is I'll be commenting out these things, and again I will be running it, and now you can just see we are getting 0012, the value is 1 because in install.eid I have written the value as 1. Then the value is C, the value is 1.2e plus 08 because we are getting this value. But if I remove these all things and if I write only 12,000 like this, and if I run this, so you will be now getting the value as 12,000. You can see the value is 12,000, or you can just write here the salary like this is 12,000, and in the place of it you can write 1,20,000 as well. Run it, and you can just see we are now getting the value is 1,20,000, and here we are getting the salary is 1, the value is C, the value is 1,20,000 like this. So I hope you understand that how we are getting all the things defined, and this is the structure and unions enums in C++. So the structure which we have defined is count, and the union which we have defined is this union money and all these things which we have defined down. Then the enums which we have defined is this like .eid, .fav Cour, or you can say .fair character, then this .salary. These are some of the enums which we have defined here in this structure unions. So I hope you understand that how we have defined structure unions and enums in this video, and I hope you understand this amazing video in which we have learned different things in only one video. So if you have understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing tutorial video which I have given you the tutorial of, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel and want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel in future. So now I'll be meeting you in next project or next tutorial video which I'll be covering up on this channel. So for today, goodbye.